Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I have done a makeup tutorial on my channel. All I was doing some recommendation, reviews, challenges and all of that. Now it's time to do some sit down makeup tutorial and this is just my thing. So I just live for makeup tutorial and I was kind of feeling bad because I did not upload a proper makeup tutorial on my channel for a while. So today I'm going to create this look which you can see. It's tricky, it's trendy, it has all the trendy colors, neon green outfit. I think it's very wearable and it's very different as well because it's not that typical brown eyes and red lipstick or pink lipstick. Take out some time, do some makeup therapy because it's really therapeutic, and do some creative look like these. And if you are ending up creating this look, do not forget to tag me on my Instagram. The link is provided on the description box. And yeah, I think enough of an intro. If you want to know how I've got this look, this creative, fun, sort of a wearable look, then please keep on watching.
Alright, so starting off with the Bobbi Brown primer here, and I'm just prepping up my skin nicely. After that, I'm gonna move on to foundation, and for that I'm mixing up this Huda Beauty and Enegirl Pro matte foundation. Both of these works amazingly when I mix them because these two are just full coverage foundation. So whenever I mix it, the shade exactly becomes my skin like. You will see in a bit. After that, to set it, I am using Faces Canada All Time Pro loose powder. I'm not going with any type of concealer because these two foundation that I have used are full coverage. I am setting my full face because I am from oily skin type. I just feel free to go all over on my face and neck to set my foundation over. After that, I am using this Lakme 925 blush. It's a very beautiful blush. I love it. I am just applying it on the apple of the cheeks, and also I am blending it towards my temple as well to give it a very beautiful lifted look. After that, let's move on to highlighter, and for that I'm using this fan brush and Sugar Champagne Champion shade. I'm just using it on my usual places like my chin, nose tip, little bit on the mid of the forehead, also little bit on the cupid's bow as well. After that, I'm taking this beautiful dark brown shade from my Maybelline City Mini palette with a very fluffy contour brush. I'm picking it very minutely, and after that I'm placing it on my usual places. I'm going with my bronzer after placing the blush and highlighter because I'm not gonna go with a very harsh bronzing because the look that I am creating today is not gonna complement if I do a very harsh contour or bronzing look. After that, I'm taking my usual thing, which is PAC Walnut Wax Brow Pomade. I love this one. Firstly, I'm just making the border where I need to fill it in. Then I am drawing some hair-like strokes in the front section, and after that, I'm filling in my sparse areas. That's it for my brow. After that, I'm using my Lakme Iconic Liner. This is a pen liner. I am drawing a basic flat thick winged liner, and after that I'm taking my Glisten Cosmetics water activated liner. I'm taking a very thin, precise, tiny liner brush, and I'm picking up the lighter shade and I'm just lining some artistic strokes on my lids. We are not gonna do any eyeshadow work, but we are gonna do some artistic work on our lids. I'm using the Sugar mascara, not the biggest fan of it. I have it, so that's why I use it. Later on, I'm gonna complete my other eye offline. I am using very affordable lipstick in here. This is the Elite Teen Cream lipstick. This has beautiful satin finish, so this one is really good, like chal jayega. And with that, we have completed this look.
So this is my final finished look, as you guys can see, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Many people says that whenever you're having a vibrant eye look, you cannot go with a vibrant lipstick, but I just feel like you can go whatever you prefer. Also, I feel burgundy and neon green really complements each other. That's why I paired up today. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon, and hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. Till then, I love you all so much. Stay happy, stay beautiful. Take care. Bye.